In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transparent backgrounds in Canva. Whether you're sprucing up a presentation or designing a social media post, being able to remove the background from an image can make a big difference. So let's dive into how you can accomplish this easily using Canva Pro. First, ensure you're signed into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, just head over to Canva's website and sign up. Once you're logged in, open a design where you want to use an image with a transparent background. If you haven't already, upload the image you want to use by clicking on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar and selecting Upload Files. Navigate to your image, click Open, and give it a moment to upload. Now that your image is ready in Canva, click on it to add it to your design. You should see it appear on the canvas. A very useful feature we're going to use in Canva Pro is the background remover tool. This is only available for Pro users, so make sure your account is subscribed to Canva Pro. With your image selected, look for the Edit Image option in the top toolbar of Canva. Click on it and a new set of tools will open on the left side of your screen. Here you should find the BG Remover button, which stands for Background Remover. Go ahead and click on this button. This is where the magic happens. Once you click it, Canva will begin to analyze your image and automatically remove the background for you. This might take a few seconds, so be patient as it processes. And voila. You should now see your image with the background removed, leaving only the main subject. If any parts of the background didn't fully disappear, or if something you wanted to keep was removed, you can make manual adjustments using the erase and restore brushes. These tools allow you to fine-tune the result to exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied, you'll want to save your work. To do this, click on Share in the top right corner of the screen, and then on Download. In the download settings, it's essential to choose the file type that supports transparency, so select PNG and make sure the transparent background option is checked. This ensures your image is saved without the background, perfect for overlaying on various designs. After confirming your settings, click Download. And that's it, you now have an image with a transparent background ready to use as you see fit. With these simple steps, you can enhance your designs and elevate your projects with crisp, clean visuals. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and I hope this makes your design process even smoother and more enjoyable in Canva.